How to make raspberry jam. Making raspberry jam can be a really fun activity, and we end up with a tasty treat at the end. Here's a simple recipe to make raspberry jam. The ingredients we need are 4 cups of fresh raspberries, 2 cups granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. The instructions to use these ingredients to make raspberry jam are as follows. 1. Prepare the raspberries. Wash the raspberries thoroughly under cold water and remove any stems or leaves. 2. Mash the raspberries. Using a potato masher or a fork, gently mash the raspberries into a bowl until they are broken down but still chunky. 3. Cook the raspberries. Transfer the mashed raspberries into a large saucepan and add the sugar and lemon juice. Stir well to combine. 4. Heat the mixture. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the raspberry mixture to a gentle boil, stirring occasionally. 5. Skim off foam. As the mixture boils, foam may rise to the surface. Use a spoon to skim off any foam that forms. 6. Test for doneness. After about 15 to 20 minutes of boiling, the jam should start to thicken. To test if it's done, you can place a small amount of jam on a chilled plate and see if it sets. If it is set, it should wrinkle slightly when pushed with your finger. 7. Jar the jam. Once the jam reaches the desired consistency, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Carefully transfer the jam to clean, sterilized jars. 8. Store the jam. Seal the jars tightly and let the jam cool completely at room temperature. Once cooled, you can store the jam in the refrigerator for up to several weeks. 9. Enjoy. Spread the homemade raspberry jam on toast, pancakes, or use it as a topping for yogurt or ice cream. Yum. Now remember, kids, you must be supervised by an adult when working with hot surfaces or boiling liquids, because we know these are not safe for children to work with on their own. And keeping you safe is most important. But never forget to have fun.